I didn't go zero waste to save the planet. I did it because trash was taking over my kitchen. Seriously, my tiny apartment kitchen was just overflowing with single-use plastic, takeout containers, and paper towel rolls. I felt like I was spending more time taking out the trash than actually cooking. It wasn't about some grand gesture. It was about reclaiming my space and simplifying my life. And that's when I discovered that the most effective sustainable swaps aren't about being perfect. They're about finding what actually works for you. So, let's start with the biggest offender, plastic bags. I used to go through boxes of them for snacks, leftovers, everything. My first big swap was to silicone bags, specifically stasher bags. The initial cost is higher, for sure. But I've had some of mine for over 3 years now. Think about how many plastic bags that replaces. They're incredibly durable. I throw them in the dishwasher, the microwave, even the freezer. The pros are obvious. They're versatile, they seal tight, and they last forever. The main con, the price can be a barrier, and you have to remember to wash them. But once it becomes a habit, it's a total game changer for reducing plastic waste. I started with a couple and slowly built up my collection. Next up, beeswax wraps. I was so excited about these as a replacement for plastic wrap. They're great for covering bowls, wrapping a block of cheese, or half an avocado. Work best when the heat from your hands helps mold them into a seal. But let's be real, they have limitations. They're not great for anything super wet or greasy, like raw meat or a juicy sandwich, because cleaning them is a bit delicate. Just cool water and a little soap. So, while they haven't completely replaced plastic wrap for me, they've cut down my usage by at least 80%. They're perfect for certain tasks, and that's okay. Now, let's talk about something I thought I could never give up: paper towels. I was a chronic user. Spills, wiping counters, drying hands, you name it. Then I tried unpaper towels. They're basically just washable, absorbent cloth squares. I was skeptical. I thought it would be a huge hassle, but honestly, it's been effortless. I keep a stack of clean ones in a basket on the counter and a small wet bag under the sink for the dirty ones. When the bag is full, I just toss them in the laundry with my regular towels. No extra work, and I haven't bought a roll of paper towels in over a year. My wallet is definitely happier. For food storage and reheating, I've fully converted to glass containers. I know, this isn't a groundbreaking idea, but the key is committing to it. Unlike plastic containers that can get stained, warped, and leach chemicals when you microwave them, glass is a champ. It's safe for the microwave oven, freezer, and dishwasher. Leftovers taste better. You can see exactly what you have, and your fridge looks so much more organized. It's a simple swap that makes a huge difference in both safety and reducing plastic. And what about food scraps? Living in a small apartment, I thought composting was impossible. The idea of a smelly, buggy bin in my kitchen was a nightmare. But modern compost bins are designed for this exact problem. I have a small countertop bin with a charcoal filter that completely eliminates odors. I just empty it into a larger collection bin on my balcony or take it to a local community garden drop-off every week. Turns food waste into something useful instead of sending it to a landfill where it creates methane. It's really important to distinguish between genuine eco-friendly products and just clever eco-marketing. ULL tons of products labeled green or earth-friendly that aren't actually solve a problem or are just as disposable as what they're replacing. The most useful swaps are the ones that replace a single-use habit with a durable, reusable alternative. It's not about buying a whole new set of eco things. It's about choosing items that will last and that you'll actually use consistently. At the end of the day, sustainable kitchens aren't about being perfect. They're about making swaps that actually stick. It's about finding solutions that fit your lifestyle, save you money in the long run, and make your kitchen a more functional, less wasteful space. Start small, find one thing that annoys you, like the overflowing trash, and find a reusable solution for it. You'll be amazed at the ripple effect it creates. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more tips on creating a practical, sustainable home. See you next time.